Hi guys, let's have some fun with magnets today. Hey Cuddles, do you know anything about magnets?
Yeah, magnet is used in compass and compass was discovered in China.
Wow Cuddles, you sure do know a lot about China.
Yeah, because I lived in China for 30 years.
And how old are you?
I'm 4.
Okay, so you're 4 and you lived in China for 30. Hi guys, my name is Meg and today we'll be talking about magnets. We'll be talking about how magnets work, how to make your own compass, and how to make a pencil float in the air with the help of a magnet. But before that, let's find out how magnet was discovered. Thousands of years ago, there was a shepherd named Magnus and he lived in Magnesia. One day, he was strolling about when the nail of his shoe got stuck in a rock. This rock was called lodestone and it contained a material called magnetite. And that's how magnet was discovered. And magnet got its name from
Magnets? Magnesia. Magnetite.
Guys, do you know what magnets are used for?
French magnet.
Fridge magnets like these. Well, magnets are useful because they can pull things towards them. Magnets can't pull everything like paper, but they can pull iron and steel. Pulling things is not the only important thing magnets can do. Let's talk about the properties of magnets and why they're important to us. Magnets have a magnetic field, which is like an invisible force, like the wind. This magnetic field helps the object and the magnet stick together. Guys, do you want to see the magnetic field? I have some iron dust on a piece of paper. On my other hand, I have some magnets. Let me bring the magnet below the piece of paper. Well, we might expect that all the iron dust will get attracted to the magnet. Let's see what happens. The magnetic field goes like this out of the magnet and then comes back to the other side. As you can see, the iron dust is attracted to the magnetic field. People thought magnets were magic because they could see things moving without being touched, like this. Magnets have two ends to them. They're called poles. The North Pole and the South Pole, just like the Earth. When you bring the North Pole of a magnet and the South Pole of a magnet together, they stick. But if you bring the North Pole and North Pole of two different magnets, they will repel. Woohoo! If you chop a magnet in half, well, that's going to be hard. But suppose you chop a magnet in half, you get two magnets, each with a North Pole and a South Pole. So you'll never find a magnet with just one of the poles. The Earth is like a big magnet, which has a liquid core inside it. When the Earth spins, it generates a magnetic field with the North and South Pole. The Earth's magnetic North Pole is very close to the physical North Pole, and our cute polar bear over here lives in the North Pole.
Hey, I want to live in North Pole.
Well, you can't because someone else already lives there. And he is Santa Claus is coming to town.
Hey Santa, can I be your assistant?
Sure. Here's my shopping list.
Oh, wow.
Before GPS was invented, Earth's magnetic field was used to navigate. Here is a compass, which tells you which side is north so that you can navigate. Guys, do you want to make your own compass? Take a needle and rub a magnet against it 30 to 40 times, only in one direction. Take a piece of paper with double-sided tape on it and stick the needle. This needle gets magnetized when you rub the magnet against it. This is called induced magnetism. Now float this piece of paper on a bowl filled with water. Guys, can't you see that the needle is pointing in the same direction as the north on the compass? We made a compass, guys! When you bring a strong magnet close to the needle, you will see that the needle is pointing to the north pole of this magnet. And when you remove the magnet, the needle points back to the north.
Hey, I want to be a magnet. Can you please rub this magnet on me?
Cuddles, which are not made of iron or steel.
No, I'm the Iron Man. Hey, but what about the floating pencil?
Here it is. But we will talk about how it works in our next video. So please subscribe and keep watching. Bye!